Today we had a meeting of the National Space Council chaired by the President, who was represented by the Vice President as the Chairman of the National Space Council. And in today's meeting, Council resolved to approve the conditions of service and staff regulation of the Nigerian Space Research and Development Agency because of the best practice, the international best practice is to give those working in the space industry a level of competitiveness in their remuneration. So to ensure that the experts that we have in the space industry and the space ecosystem do not leave Nigeria. To retain them, Council had to approve the staff regulation and conditions of service. Another resolution passed by the Council is to set up a working group of space experts to review the 25 years space program roadmap of Nigeria. And because work has been done earlier on that, the working group has 1 month to submit its review, input, and outcome. Some members of the working group include the Nigeria Space Development and Research Agency, NCC, National Defense Space Agency, and NigerComSat, and other such stakeholders in the Nigeria space ecosystem. Again, Council approved that the Bola Ahmed Tinubu Space Center in Ekpe be developed and operationalized. That center would provide Nigeria the capacity to launch satellites into orbit, and of course will reduce the dependency of Nigeria on foreign expertise to not just host our satellite but to maintain our satellite. So for me, it's a historic meeting with historic outcomes.
Thank you very much.
So with all of these outcomes today, are there any plans for Nigeria to launch into space anytime soon? The purpose and the usefulness of all of these meetings for Nigeria?
Thank you very much. With the current reality in the country, a nation like ours needs space assets more than ever before. And the good news is, some months back, the President already approved 4 new satellites for us to launch, and we are in the procurement process to ensure that these satellites are launched within the shortest possible time. 3 of them are optical, Earth observation, and 1 is synthetic aperture radar, which can see during the day and night time. More importantly for our economic zone and for national security, because during night time, with artificial intelligence embedded on the platform, we can actually pick most of the nefarious activities and the criminals operating in the country. And of course, we have various applications for this satellite, from the agricultural, precision agriculture, transportation, and our economic zone in the blue economy as well, maritime domain awareness, border security. The list is endless, and the space technology is the best platform in which Nigeria can tackle our myriad of socio-economic challenges in this country.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.